Hello guys, welcome back to our channel on Two-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can log into your Flybuys account. So to do so, first of all, you need to open your browser. You can use any browser and just type in Flybuys login. Now after that, scroll a bit down and then you have to type in website over here. So just tap on it. And after that, you can see this options over here that has help, sign in and join. We need to tap in sign in. And after that, if you already have an account and you saved it in your Google account, then it will automatically display your email and password, and all you have to do is just type in sign in. So guys, as you can see, you've signed in, and that's how you sign in to your Flybuys account. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more videos like these, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.